Hello, I'm Robert.Meckin and I'm a Presidential Fellow at the University of Manchester in the School of Social Sciences. I'm also affiliated with the National Centre for Research Methods in the UK. With two colleagues at the National Centre for Research Methods, Professor Melanie and Dr. Andy Coverdale, I've been involved in a project exploring methodological adaptations in Covid-19. This was funded by the Economic and Social Research Council in the UK. I'd like to invite you to our workshop where we'll be exploring some of the issues related to the project. The Covid-19 pandemic has affected qualitative research in innumerable ways. Globally, researchers are having to rethink their methods in light of public health concerns, national and local lockdowns, travel and access restrictions, and the move to face coverings and social distancing. In our project, we developed an approach to exploring these issues. In the workshop, participants will reflect discursively on core challenges to methods in Covid-19. This will include things like moving research online, conducting creative and collaborative research at a distance, and also issues of research ethics and the relevance of different projects. Using the metaphor of a river, participants will explore these issues afresh, with shoals and rapids and waterfalls and dams just some of the options for representing methods in the pandemic. So I'd like to invite you to join us at our workshop, which will be a creative and collaborative chance to explore methodological adaptations in Covid-19. I look forward to seeing you there.